Off you go, guys. One lamb each. They'll sort out. Singles always do. I haven't got your lambs yet. I'm fine. Just walk these away and then we can get you out, can't we? Your turn, darling. Okay. Right, there you go. No problem, okay? I didn't want to let you out together in case you got mixed. Right, off you go. Go eat some grass that we haven't got and milk your lambs, okay? Oh dear. Big baby's just had a bath. Oliver. Oh, you're washing the windows now.
Get a fucking belter full of dirt.
I am. Just showing him the baby. Showing that you look after things, you know?
I don't look after them.
You clean things and you wash things, keep things tidy. Right, apparently we're muck spreading, like. Gotta fill my Velcro. My baby. Will she start this time? Will she start? Doesn't need a new battery, by the way, so we'll see. Ooh. Oh, that sound. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're hooked up, baby. A double axle muck spreader, like, because it is quite moist and it might still be, who knows. It is going mad. It wouldn't come out. It just wouldn't come out. 1,000 PTO and it wouldn't come out. And I think that's the load I filled actually. So yeah, probably my fault. I told him not to fill it so full, but it's going to plan. I did a bit the first video, didn't I, muck spreading, but I've still a bit of practice. First load or two, hammer. We're balls deep, guys. Oh, sugar. Right, I'll just go back slowly. Oh, sugar. Oh, God, where's he at? Holy moly. Oh, I should lift my arms up. Right. Holy moly. Oh, we're slipping. Oh, balls. I bet he's watching on the drone. Oh. Don't think he's gonna like me for this one. I went really fast as well. Oh no. Oh no, she's dropped in. And this, guys, this is why we have these. I am going back for the other tractor. I don't even know where Oliver is. I wonder if I can get it out before. No, I need 2 people. Oh, God. See, look. It's just sponges everywhere. I got through that bit. And that bit. Anyway. Having to get rid of all the muck to pull it out. Oh God. Today is honestly not my day. Oh, well, that's the aftermath of the mess. Oh, silly Sam. I'm gonna have to put all these ruts in. I've had better days, guys. I've had better days. He's now banning me for muck spreading. But do I ever listen? No. So I'm gonna fill myself up and carry on. God's sake, I didn't open my lid. Oh, I'm gonna have to get round somehow. God. Tend to leave the ends open a little bit and then it's easier to come out. I don't know if you can see from there. But yeah, all that's pig muck. Lovely, fresh, rotten stuff. Hopefully it'll make the grass grow like wildfire. This is doubtfire. warm and I've put my jacket on for some reason. Right, I'm up Lunsfell. Gamekeeper rung and said there's a yow that wouldn't get up, so he's sort of directed me where she is. That's the gill, that's the big gill. I think it's in here. Gonna get a bit of calcium just in case she needs it. Well, if I can't find her, I'll put drone up and have a look, but apparently she's in here somewhere. God, it's muggy. Beautiful weather. Oh God, is that her? Oh, she looks bogged to me. Hey, shh. Oh God. Why didn't he drag it out of the... Oh, I won't be needing this calcium then, will I? Oh. She's gone right into there, look. That bog. Absolutely typical. Oh dear. Oh, no lamb either. I don't know where a lamb is, but we'll have to go and have a look. Are going out to grass. Shh, shh, shh. Go on. Hup, hup, hup. Shh. 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 Yes, what a good feeling. Ha. Shh. Go on. All the calves actually went out. Go on. Shh. 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 There's always one. Go on. Go on. we got them calves loaded, didn't we, Jim?
Yeah. They're going to be separate cows in.
So my dad is taking the cows and the bull, I think, and we're taking the calves.
Yes.
So we've just loaded the calves.
They allowed.
Dad's coming now to load up, and then off we go to Lupton. Take them where them sheep and lambs were.
They cows are bursting for their babies.
Yeah, but they're gonna have the babies back when we get there.
Why?
Can't fit them all in the wagon, that's all. Just landed, just waiting for Dad. It shouldn't be long. Oh, it's raining, so I can't fly my drone. You know, drone flying is quite addictive. It's really bad. But anyway, I'll only film what I need to film. Yeah, and I was going to lift it up when Dad got here, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Don't want to wreck it, and I've just got it, so. Right, let's crack on.
Is that your foot?
Off we go. Will he get out? It's a bit slippy and a bit wet, but taking a good run for it. Oh, easy peasy. Uh-oh. Easy peasy. Can't beat a cruiser, and it's an old one as well. Old ones are the best though, aren't they?